Welcome to our exploration of Jerudong Park, a remarkable amusement park located in Brunei Darussalam. This video will take you through the park's rich history, its development during its heyday, the reasons behind the disappearance of certain rides, and a look at the beautiful Jerudong Park Garden. We'll also discuss the latest attractions and improvements, including my recent visit to the newly renovated food court. Jerudong Park was inaugurated on July 15, 1994, to celebrate the 48th birthday of His Majesty Sultan Hassan al Bolkiah. Designed by an Australian architecture firm, it was built at a staggering cost of 1 billion US dollar, making it one of the largest amusement parks in Southeast Asia. Initially, the park was completely free for visitors, which attracted large crowds. Notably, in 1996, the park hosted iconic performances by Michael Jackson and Whitney Houston, further solidifying its reputation as a premier entertainment destination. However, despite its initial success, attendance began to decline in the late 2000s. By 2006, many major rides were sold off or abandoned due to financial difficulties and a lack of sustained interest from visitors. The park underwent several changes over the years, including a shift to a ticketing system where entry became free but rides required payment through a coupon system. During its peak in the late 1990s and early 2000s, Jerudong Park was a vibrant hub for both locals and tourists. It featured an array of thrilling rides, including roller coasters and water attractions that were cutting edge at the time. The park's design emphasized family friendly entertainment, with attractions catering to both children and adults. The musical fountain was one of its standout features, providing nightly shows that combined music, lights, and water displays. However, as time went on, many attractions fell into disrepair. The park struggled with maintenance issues and declining visitor numbers. By 2009, it was reported that attendance had dropped significantly, prompting management to introduce admission fees for rides. The Jerudong Park Garden is an exquisite addition to the amusement park experience, spanning vast areas filled with lush greenery and beautifully landscaped gardens. It offers visitors a serene environment away from the thrill of rides. During my visit in December for the Santai Santai JP event, I enjoyed walking through these gardens and soaking in the picturesque scenery. In the garden, you can find themed flower beds featuring seasonal blooms that add vibrant colors. Walking trails, perfect for leisurely strolls or jogging. Art installations, sculptures and other artworks that enhance the aesthetic appeal. The garden serves as a peaceful retreat for families looking to relax amidst nature. One of the highlights of my visit was exploring the newly renovated Jerudong Park Food Court. This area has undergone significant improvements since previous years. Here's what I found: diverse dining options. A variety of food vendors offer local delicacies as well as international cuisine. Modern facilities, enhanced sitting areas, and cleanliness make dining more enjoyable. Community vibe. The food court buzzes with activity during events like Santai Santai JP, making it a great place to unwind after a day at the park. This renovation marks a positive step towards improving visitor experience at Jerudong Park. In conclusion, Jerudong Park has experienced significant highs and lows throughout its history. From being one of Southeast Asia's premier amusement parks filled with excitement and star-studded events, to facing challenges that led to many attractions being lost over time, it remains a symbol of Brunei's ambition and creativity. With recent renovations and new attractions being added alongside its beautiful gardens, there is hope for revitalization. For those who cherish memories from its heyday or are curious about what it has to offer now, Jerudong Park continues to be a place worth exploring. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Jerudong Park. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content about amazing places in Brunei.